This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jason Litt. This exquisite, fully turnkey pool home, located in the desirable gated community of Equus, sitting on a half-acre of land, boasts a beautiful bright and airy open floor plan. Amazing interior design done by Clive Daniel Home.This. This home offers so many upgrades throughout that this is a true must-see home. Another huge bonus, all A-rated schools. This 2,940 living square foot home features 4 bedrooms plus den/office, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, storage room, 3-car garage, a separate laundry room, an upgraded kitchen with gas cooking stove and hood, a new Samsung refrigerator, new granite countertops, and large pantry, custom closets throughout the house, a master suite with his/hers walk-in closets, an ensuite bathroom with his/her vanity, a jacuzzi tub and marble countertops. For more information